Hello guys, we're back for another video, and in this video we're opening up the Charizard, Mega Charizard EX Premium Collection box. I picked this up at my local GameStop, was so surprised to see this still in stock. They had quite a few boxes, and let's just get into this. It has been a while since I've opened up an ultra premium collection for Pokemon. I did open up the other ultra premium Charizard box a while ago, and that has this playmat in it. Excited for this new playmat because it has Mega Charizard on it. I have redeemed myself. I know it's a Mega Charizard. Here is a little blurb on what's in the back of this. We got that Mega Charizard card, which, oh, so sick. And then the Oreo Choreo comes with 65 sleeves. Ooh, a deck box, a playmat, a metal coin, damage counters, 18 booster packs. Okay. Ooh. God, that's kind of nice how that opens up. A plastic. That deck box is actually kind of nice. It's kind of like bigger than some other deck boxes that I've seen that they've released, I'm pretty sure. Okay, we'll do a comparison. Maybe it is about the same. So there's this one. I guess it is the same. It's just that this one is horizontal whereas this is vertical. But artwork on that is sick. Okay, and then inside it comes with little dividers, which are kind of nice. I like that. We got the coin. Oh, yeah, that is quite hefty. It looks so nice. Look at that shine with Mega Charizard on it. Oh, wow. These dice are definitely bigger than their normal damage counters. Let's see if I have some comparison dice. So here are some comparison dice for the ones that like come in the ETBs. So these are significantly bigger. I like this blue color. Got the sleeves. Oh, you can't see when I have it flipped up, but here is the Mega Charizard card. Oh, that's a code card. You guys can have the code cards. Love these sleeves. Okay. Got the packs. Oh, and here's the playmat, which we'll put the playmat down. Oh, look at that. The detail on this is so nice. I mean, I can't get it all in the frame, but that is sick. Even better, I feel like it's a little bit thicker. Maybe not thicker, but seems a little bit better than the other Charizard playmat. Okay, and then we have our packs. 18 packs. This is exciting. And that's the inside of the box. I probably will keep this. Could store stuff in that. Alright, let's get into these. How to get to cards. Okay. There's the code card. Must. Okay, slide that out. Okay, the centering. It's a little bottom heavy. That's okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. But I like this card. And then this card, even though Oreo is not my favorite, I just love like the detail in the background and the colors that was used. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to play a new game with these Pokemon cards that Frosted Caribou has done, or has I'll come up with. I will say come up with that. That would be accurate. And essentially, I'm gonna do a little twist on it. Basically, any Pokemon that I pull that has a basic form that can evolve, we will be trying to evolve it in this video. If it doesn't evolve, it ascends. You know what ascending means. Oh, actually, before we get started, let's pull out the new playmat to bring the luck. Okay, that we just got changed from the Charizard to the Mega Charizard. So essentially that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to start off with Surging Sparks. I'll try to go in release order for the packs. If I don't... Whoops. But, well, yeah, we'll just open these packs up. I'm excited to open 18 packs of Pokemon cards. Especially since 2025 has been not very much Pokemon cards. Okay, basic Zangoose. I don't remember if this one can evolve. The Oricorio, pretty sure that does not evolve. Okay, we're gonna put the basics that I'm not 100% sure about over there. Scatterbug, I think that does evolve. Okay, we got Wattrel. We got a stage 2 of the Walrein, so we're gonna set that off to the side in case we get the other one. We got stage 1 Armarouge. We got Pachiro Berry, a Relicore. That definitely, I think, evolves into something. Jasmine's Gaze. Rabska, which evolves. We have our first Pokemon that's been saved. It has evolved. And the basic energy. And then you guys can have the codes. I thought there was another Surging Sparks pack. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we'll just go the code card first. And then we'll do the pack trick. Okay, Psychic Energy. Yamask. Oh, look at Eevee. Execute. Cast Form. Don't think that evolves. We got Latios, which does not evolve. We got the Surfer Bro, which I'm pretty sure I have pulled the illustration rare of that card. Okay. Appleton. Morlo. I think this does evolve. Wow, we got that is sick. Vivillon. Wow. That's a cool one. Alright, we have evolved our Yamask into the Kofagrius. Another Pokemon saved. I think Journey Together is the next set. Okay. There's a code card. Alright, Fire Energy. And we got Paris. We got Wingull. Swinub. Shelmet. I think that evolves into something. We got Cramorant. Don't remember if that evolves or not. Maractus. That definitely evolves. We got that one. Got Beldum. We got Lumbre. And Tyranitar. We'll put the saved Pokemon. I'm running out of room, guys. Okay, save Pokemon gonna be here, so I can have room for the new ones that need to evolve. Alright, Fighting Energy, Dunsparce, Impidimp, Lechonk, Cubone, Brock Scouting, Volcarona, Lokix, Ends, PP Up, Cramorant. We got two different Cramorant cards. And then we got Ends Reshiram. Ooh, looking good. On to the next pack. Well, nothing evolved from that pack. Oh no. Might have more ones that are ascending than evolving. Centrid? We got Zoroa, Tropespiv, don't think that evolves. Swinub. Redeemable ticket. Combuskin. That's an interesting angle. We got the Alolan Golem. We got Graveler. Stage 1 and Stage 2 of that one. And then we have Ludicolo. I think we had a Lombre somewhere. Yes, we do, but we don't have the first from the Lotad. This card is super cute though, look at that. Then we have Magnirna. Ooh. Alright, Steel Energy. Ends Joltik. Cute. Larvesta. We have another Beldum. I feel like... Okay, the Larvesta. Volcarona. We have another Pokemon that has evolved. So we have 3 so far. Okay, we got Torkoal, Iris, Fighting Spirit, Rizian, does not evolve, Hops Band. Ooh, look at this, Alolan Marowak. Alright, we do have another evolved. Where's the Cubone? Cubone! Evolved into Alolan Marowak. Okay, Galarian Stunfisk. Ooh, we got our first EX. Hops Zacian. Super sparkly. We're going on to Destined Rivals now. Okay, we have, so far we got 1, 2, 3, 4 evolved Pokemon, and a lot of basics that have not evolved. Alright, basic energy. Ooh, we got Torchic! Okay, so we got Torchic to Combustion! Alright, we got Rotom. That thing does not evolve. Does have different forms. We got Nidoran. Carbink. I think this does evolve. Spiritomb. Don't think that evolves. Fortress. Pineco. Don't have that yet. Okay. Stevens Claydol. Don't have a ball toy yet either. Ooh, look at this Houndour. Right, Hypno and Crustle. Alright, basic energy. Electabuzz. Oh, Gibble. Skarmory does not evolve. Smoliv. Ooh, super cute. Ogerpon. Not evolve. Giovanni. Arcanine. Medicham. Ooh, MC's hype. That is hype. Alright, we got our second EX. We got Yanmega. Ooh, so nice. Into the next pack. Well, nothing evolved, I think, from that pack either. Well, I'm getting a little bit down. Okay, we got Larvitar to Tyranitar. Nope. We need the stage 2. Okay, this hasn't evolved yet. Okay. Almost got that one. Blipbug. Oh, Sedaddle. Perleon. Sacred Ash. Hypno again. Arbok. Claydol. Baltoy. Yeah, we still don't have that. Oh, this card is cool with the Team Rocket's Markrow. I like this cityscape. And then we got Blaziken. Alright. Our Torchic evolved all the way to the Blaziken. He is safe. Alright, last Team Rockets pack, guys. Alright, Basic Energy, Mischief, Dolive. Alright, we evolved our Smoliv, where did he go? Okay, woo, saved. He has evolved. Okay, we got Gabite. Alright, yeah, from the Gibble. Alright, we saved our Gibble. He's been evolved. We got Quilava. Oh, this is so far cute. Morgym. Oh, we evolved our Impidimp. He's been saved. Got Team Rocket's Archer. We got Arven's Toad Scroll. Don't think we have that one yet. Doesn't look like it. Okay, put that over in case we need it later. We got the Ekans. Ooh, Zeraora. Ooh, we got Mischief. We evolved our Mischief to the Mastobiff. He's been saved. On to Mega Evolution. Okay. Oh, Mega Evolution. Water Energy. Oh, I got a Numel. Delmise. Croagunk. Delibird does not evolve. Surfing Beach. Ooh, Santa Scorch. Storjourner. Cinderace. Volcanion. Ooh, Mega Kangaskhan. Ooh, nice. Another EX. Okay. Fire Energy. Corphish. Pharaoh. Oh, we got Litleo. Tinkatonk. Mega Signal. Shininja. Ooh, Ninetales. Ice-Coo. Seedot. And Steelix. Oh, wow, I don't know if we can evolve any more Pokemon. There's a lot of Pokemon that are ascending today. Looks like. Okay. Steel Energy. Spoink. Electrike. Sobble. Toxicroak. Did we get a Croagunk? I don't see a Croagunk. Lily's Determination. Celebi. Crodont. Okay, I do think we had the Corphish. Now, where did the Corphish go? Alright, we're saving our Corphish. Is evolved into the Crawdont. Okay, the Pachirisu. Frostmoth. Oh, we got Night Stretcher. Alright, Basic Energy. Oh, we got Grievard. Did we see the Houndstone? Don't actually think so. Oh, okay. Sandshrew, Spearow, Magneton, Oh, I think we got a Saddle. Oh, not saved yet. Sobble hasn't been saved. Strange timepiece. Shuckle. Iron Defender. Ninjask. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I pulled another one of these cards. I already have this one. Okay, we got Ninjask. And Yveltal. Okay. Would have been nice if it was a different one of those cards, but we'll take it. Okay, we're on to the Phantasmal Flames, which I've only opened one of these packs, so we'll see what we can get in these packs. And if we're evolving any more of these basic Pokemon, Yamper, Nimble. Okay, we do have the low kicks. We have evolved another Pokemon. He's been saved. Swinub. Okay, we do have a Swinub here too. Where did the Swinub go? Alright, we've saved another Pokemon. He's been evolved. Okay, Apom. Darmanitan. Grimsley's move. Alcremie. Darumaka. Okay, we evolved. Darmatan. Darumaka to Darmatan. Okay, we got Bramblegast. I don't think I have very many cards of that Pokemon. And we have Ambipom. Oh, from Apom. Alright, we saved another one. Okay. Leaf Energy. Lombre. Oh, got Piplup. Tommy. Murkrow. Archulodon. No, I think I said that wrong. Cresselia. Gilscar. Ooh, what? Oh my god, I'm seeing double, guys. Archulodon? Another one of those. Ooh, we got just the regular Reshiram. Okay, 2 packs left. Who else can we save? Are we adding more to the pile? That's not evolving. Oh. Basic Energy. Pomo. Okay, we evolved our Pommy to Pomo. It's been saved. Okay, Gloom. Digong. Oh, I like that card. Jigglypuff. Haunter. Ooh, Punk Helmet. Cresselia. Gloom. Oddish. Wigglytuff. Alright, we evolved. Jigglypuff to Wigglytuff. It's been saved. Ooh, look at this Toxtricity card. I like that. Okay, last pack. Last pack, guys. Who else is being saved from this pile? Basic Energy. Got Charmeleon. Okay, we got Milcery to Alcremie. Saved. Smeargle. Togedemaru. Cerulege. Ooh, Fire Breather. Honchkrow. We've saved our Murkrow. We've saved him. He's been saved. Then we got Palmot. Alright, so we evolved our Pomo to Palmot. Ooh, we got Dawn. And Genesect. Let's just say there's a lot of Pokemon that We're not saved and ascended, essentially. Oh, okay. Since it's going to be easier about the ones that did get saved, we will go over those guys right now. We got Larvesta to the Volcarona, saved. That's 1. Yeah. Cubone to Alolan Marowak, 2. Our latest one, the Murkrow to the Honchkrow, 3. Okay, we got the Relar to the Rabska, 4. Smoliv to the Doliv, 5. We got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 evolved. Oh, 17. Actually, one more. We got 18. 18 Pokemon that were saved. And quite a number right here that were not saved. And then let's just go over the major hits as well. Okay, we got the Arwen's Mazbostiff, Pavilion, Ninjask, Night Stretcher, Yanmega, this Team Rocket's Murkrow, which, ooh, so glad he got saved. Mega Kangaskhan, and then Hopsization. It's a pretty good opening. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in another one.